What updates do Ford, General Motors, Ram, and Daimler Truck have this week? Who did Lytx collab with? What tool did Volvo Trucks North America introduce? And where do you vote for Medium Duty Truck of the Year? I cover all of that and more in the 72nd episode of our top news recap from Truck Chat. I'm Lauren Fletcher, Executive Editor of Work Truck. Let's take a moment to check out the top work truck and van fleet news highlights as of October 28, 2022. But before I continue, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. The all-new 2023 Ford F-Series Super Duty is now available to order through dealers nationwide. The full-size pickup truck offers an available 1,200 pound-feet of torque, 40,000 pounds maximum towing, and 8,000 pounds of maximum payload. New technology helps customers haul more and tow more, while a new suite of cloud-based services adds productivity on and off the job site. Ford noted that Super Duty offers the best maximum tow rating for all types of trailering, conventional including pintle, fifth wheel, and gooseneck trailers. At a maximum of 40,000 pounds gooseneck towing, that's half the combined weight of a semi-tractor and a fully loaded trailer. 4 engines will be available to choose from to power the pickup truck. New technology was also added, including a tailgate down camera and a tailgate down reverse park aid. General Motors also announced some major news, introducing the first ever Sierra EV, which it noted marks a turning point for the premium truck brand as it expands its portfolio of all-electric trucks. Led by the 2024 GMC Sierra EV Denali Edition 1, it offers a GM estimated 400 miles of range on a full charge. GMC noted it will be the only brand to offer 3 all-electric trucks, with the Sierra EV joining the GMC Hummer EV pickup and SUV too. Underpinning these 3 trucks is GM's Ultium platform. The 2024 Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 will be available at launch in early 2024. GMC will introduce the Sierra EV AT4 and Elevation trims in the 2025 model year. The truck is anticipated to achieve up to 400 miles on a full charge, with a GM estimated 754 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque in max power mode. Deliveries of the 2024 GMC Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 are expected to begin in early 2024 with a starting MSRP of $107,000. And continuing with automaker news and updates, Texas awarded its full-size Truck of the Year award to the 2023 Ram 1500. According to the Texas Motor Press Association, the 2023 Ram 1500 is the no-compromise benchmark for durability, technology, efficiency, performance, and convenience, with features never before offered in a pickup. The Ram 1500 features up to 12,750 pounds of towing capacity and 2,300 pounds of payload. The e-Torque 48-volt mild hybrid system delivers an improved fuel efficiency in both V6 standard and V8 configurations. The Ram 1500 is a powerful half-ton diesel pickup with 480 pound-feet of torque, delivering up to 1,000 miles of range on a single tank of fuel. The award was presented at the Texas Motor Press Association Off-Road Invitational this year. Shown on screen are the Ram 1500 EcoDiesel models, which will be discontinued in January 2023. In tech and automaker news, Lytx announced an OEM integration collaboration with Daimler Truck North America to use Lytx video telematics system and all-new camera solution integrated into select Freightliner and Western Star models. Lytx also announced at this year's ATA a collaboration with DTNA to launch a new vehicle telematics gateway and camera solution that can be ordered directly from the factory on select Freightliner and Western Star models. The solution will leverage Lytx's drive cam components, which will be integrated into the vehicle during the production of those models. Customers can begin placing orders later this fall, with the first Lytx-equipped trucks to be built in early 2023 for the Freightliner Cascadia and Western Star X-Series line of 47X, 49X, and 57X models. In additional tech news, GPS Insight, a provider of software-as-a-service-based fleet and field service management software solutions, announced the acquisition of Certified Tracking Solutions, a provider of GPS telematics, fleet tracking and management, connected transportation, and industrial Internet of Things. Certified Tracking Solutions' premier brand, Titan GPS, offers a full range of fleet management solutions and support to thousands of fleet operators across Canada and the United States. The acquisition adds a new suite of tools, including a new electronic logging device solution, specialty tracking and management solutions, and Bluetooth asset tracking for high-value tools. And in finance news, Volvo Trucks North America has introduced a new tool. The Electromobility Total Cost of Ownership tool supports customers in making fact-based decisions about the business impact of purchasing and operating zero tailpipe emissions battery electric trucks. The TCO tool, now available for Volvo Trucks certified electric vehicle dealerships throughout North America, is part of Volvo Trucks' concierge approach to electromobility, which includes helping customers implement solutions that achieve both economic and environmental, social, and governance goals. By leveraging the details about each fleet's operations, the TCO tool will also show customers the projected potential CO2 reductions that can be achieved by adopting Volvo VNR electric trucks. Continuing with electric news and updates, as commercial fleet owners move to electric vehicles to cut emissions, Modine Manufacturing Company, a provider of thermal management technology solutions, announced working with leading specialty vehicle manufacturer the Shyft Group to deploy a custom eVantage thermal management system for Blue Arc EV Solution medium-duty Class 3 all-electric delivery vehicles. The Modine eVantage solution for Shyft delivers an integrated system for battery thermal management, power electronics cooling, and passenger comfort. Blue Arc's purpose-built commercial EV chassis from the Shyft Group meets the demanding needs of commercial fleet applications and duty cycles, according to the company. With a particular focus on the safety of the Blue Arc chassis, the Modine solution fits inside the vehicle frame rails with the other battery elements. And in last-mile news, as first reported by Robotics 24/7, FedEx is shutting down the development of its same-day delivery robot. Roxo is being developed with Manchester's DECA Research and Development Corp. The decision was announced in a company memo on October 6th. According to FedEx, Roxo was originally planned to operate on sidewalks, bike lanes, and roadsides, and was designed to be used in a 3 to 5 mile radius of a retailer's location. Roxo also used DECA's iBot electric wheelchair base. The zero-emissions battery-powered delivery robot weighed 450 pounds and initially launched in 2019. And Work Truck is open to voting for the 2023 Medium Duty Truck of the Year award. Voting is open to professional fleet managers who are asked to select one truck based on what best fits your fleet requirements, including application effectiveness, durability, quality, servicing, maintenance, and lifecycle costs. Eligible trucks for this year's award are models available for at least half of 2022. Ballots close December 31st. Be sure to vote and tell your fleet manager colleagues and peers it's time to make your voice heard. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of Truck Chat. This is only a sampling of the major news for work truck and van fleets that we covered this week. To read it all, head on over to worktruckonline.com, register for Bobbit Connect so you can sign up for our newsletters, and don't forget, check out the rest of our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcasts, and follow us on your favorite social platform so you never miss an update from Work Truck.